In this video you are going to learn asset accounts. Asset account records monetary information about resources or assets owned by a company. It is a general ledger account, used to sort and store the debit and credit amounts from a company's transactions involving the company's resources. The asset account increases with the amount of the assets that the owner brought into the business. Asset accounts are referred to as permanent or real accounts, since the balances in the asset accounts will be summarized and reported on the company's balance sheet. The ending balances in these accounts roll forward into the beginning balances for the following year. Changes in asset values on the books of a company have to reflect in either the profit and loss statement or the cash flow statement. Some examples of asset accounts include cash, accounts receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses, investments, buildings, equipment, vehicles, goodwill, and many more. List of asset accounts. 1. Cash. 2. Short-term investments. 3. Accounts receivables. 4. Inventory. 5. Prepaid expenses. 6. Long-term investments. 7. Property, plant and equipment. 8. Natural resources. 9. Intangible assets like patents, copyrights, etc. 10. Goodwill. If you find the video helpful, like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves.